I'm old Sneelock. After a trip to George Hooper's secret hiding place, I'm on my way to the Antique Emporium over in Saugatuck. Now, George and I have been friends for quite a while, and he asked me not to give away where his secret hiding place is, and so we're not going to tell you. I was there. I managed to get a outboard motor, and it's a Sport Fisher 5 horsepower. Now it's going to take some work to get it running, but it might just work really well with a little red boat. That's the plan anyways. And this is a 4-stroke weed whacker with a rototiller head on it. Now, I don't know just exactly whether it's going to run or not, but the idea of a 4-stroke weed whacker just sounded interesting. So we're going to see if we can get that one to do anything. If we do, we'll see where we go from there. And over there is a Merit Vice. Now I can't read the name very well. That is the gas tank for the outboard. It's made by the American Scale Company. It's a number 3. That leads me to believe it's got 3-inch jaws. Pretty good guess. Now, somebody has adapted this thing to use looks like an old breaker bar with a nail driven through it to act as a cotter pin. But the cool thing is, it actually works. It's movable. So I don't have to spend a whole lot of time just getting it to move. It's going to take some work to get some of the bolts and hold down things off of it. And this is supposed to pivot, but I think over time this has been modified. So we'll have to get it apart and see what it looks like when it's apart. It's a pretty cool thing. George said he took it out of an old barn. Now the jaws are in pretty rough shape, but from the look of it, this has got steel jaws that are attached to it somehow or another. And the steel jaws have worn out over the years. It's had better days. I might be able to attach some new jaws in there just to bring it back to working life. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.